Hello, my crafty friends. Thanks for pressing play on the video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Safia and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm coming at you with another simple stamping project, which means I'm just going to be using stamps, ink, and paper. And this is the card we're going to be making, but since tomorrow is Remembrance Day in Canada, I wanted to make it more themed towards that. So we're going to use some different colors, and I'm going to show you the stamp set that I've used. So this is the stamp set. It's called Artistically Inked. It's really, really gorgeous, and it comes with a full suite, like with designer series paper and ribbon and embellishments. It's such a great set. And these stamps are so great. They have like the watercolor effect to them, and I really like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a note card. These come in sets of 20 with envelopes, which is really cool. And they're nice and small. So if you're sending out just a thank you card, it's nice to have these on hand. The size is 3.5 by 5, and this is basic white. So we're gonna need that, and here's the matching envelope that comes with it. So I've already went ahead and mounted my stamps, and I'm gonna use red for the big flower today. We're gonna go ahead and stamp that first. So this is real red. Stampin' Up! Has Poppy Parade too, which probably would be my next choice, but I'm using the real red just because I like how it goes with garden green, and that's what I'm going to be using for the leaves. So the first thing you're going to do is just go ahead and stamp this down. And I'm trying to stamp it so that I leave space for my leaves. So we're gonna go right there. Then you're gonna push it down to get this beautiful image. See, looks kind of like a poppy, but watercolored. Okay, and then the next color I'm gonna use is garden green. And that goes really well with the real red because they're in the same color family. So grab that. And here's my leaves. So they look like this. I'm just gonna stamp them in the garden green. And you see how these have like indents in them? That's where I'm gonna be putting my leaves. Okay, turn it over. Make sure that's stamped up well. And I'm kind of overlapping this because if you see, this has a white border, so I kind of want it to be as close to the flower as possible. Just like that. Okay, swipe that off. And then we're going to do the inside part of the flower. And poppies usually have black in the middle, and so we're going to be using black. Now the inside stamp that I'm using for this is from a different set, and that set is called In Bloom. It comes with a bunch of different flower shapes and like the inside of the flowers, and so I'm going to be using this one right here, and I have it mounted already. It's a clear photopolymer stamp, so you can see exactly where it's going to go. So we're going to ink that up in black and stamp the center. Now, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to try and put it so that it fills up the most space there. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? This would be a great card to give to somebody who you know was in the war or an army veteran, and you just want to thank them. Just going to clean that off. Okay. And next, I'm going to do the greeting. So here's the greeting, just says thanks. And I think I'm going to do that in black as well. So with these stamps, or with this ink pad, it's nice to just press down a little bit so you get a really clear image. Okay, so I've lined this up on my block, and I'm just lining up the rubber part on the card itself, and then pushing that greeting down. There, isn't that really crisp? Okay, and then we just need one more stamp, and it's these dots that have like some splatter. And the splatter I'm gonna do in black as well. I know there's a lot of black on here, but I feel like the green just won't go. So ink that up nicely, and yeah, just throw some splatter on there. Doesn't have to be a lot. Just like that. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is stamp the inside of the card. And for that, I'm also gonna just use the splatter. Actually, I still need that. I think I'm going to change the inside just a little bit. So on my last card, on the inside, I used a different center here, as you can see. This is actually from the Artistically Inked. It's this stamp. And so I think I'm going to use that one on the inside and then put green splatter next to it. So just clean that off quickly. And when you're stamping the inside of the card, you can do the envelope at the same time, just so you don't have to keep taking out different stamps. So I'll start with the flower, and we're gonna do that in black. And I'll do the envelope first. Oh no, that's okay. Nobody's gonna see that side. So here's my inside of my poppy. Seems like my ink pad is more inked up on that side. And I'm gonna put this right here. And then one more time. The inside. Right there. And then we're just gonna put some splatter around the inside flower. So just clean that off on my chamois. It's actually great, the chamois. It makes it so easy to clean your stamps really quickly. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some splatter in green on the inside, just to make it all come together with the green on the outside. Now you want to press down really gently, or else you're going to get that outside line. Just like that. And then I'll do my envelope. Just like that. All right. So that's it. Really quick 5-minute card. Great for Remembrance Day. I'll show you both of them together, and you can tell me which one you like the best. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and push that subscribe button so you can see my videos that come out every week. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and I will be back with another video for you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.